Hi my dear students, today we will speak with you about time signature 2-2, 3-2, 4-2 and 3-8. So in grade number 1 we learned already the 3 time signature, which was with the bottom 4. So 2-4 tells us about 2 crochet beats in a bar. 3-4 tells us about 3 crochets per bar, or 3 crochet beats in a bar. And 4-4 means count 4 crochets per bar. Today we're going to speak about 2-2. The bottom number 2 tells us about minim. So 2-2, it's 2 minims per bar. 3-2, it's 3 minims per bar. And 4-2, we have to count 4 minims per bar. The last which we have to know is 3-8. 3-8 tells us about 3 quiver beats in a bar, and the compulsory going to be join them all together under one line. So top number always tell us about how many beats we have to use in a bar, 2, 3 or 4. The bottom number always tells us about type of the beat in a bar. It can be quiver, crochet or minims. What we have to remember: music with the 2 beats in a bar is duple time. Music with the 3 beats in a bar, triple time. And music with the 4 beats in a bar, quadruple time. In this case, time signature 2-4 and 2-2 is duple time signature. 3-8, 3-4 and 3-2, triple time signature. 4-4 and 4-2, quadruple time signature. So let's start exercise number 1. What does the 2 in 3-2 mean? So the 2 is the bottom number. It tells us about minim type of the beat in a bar, or minim beats in a bar. The 8 in 3-8, again the lower number, tells us about quiver beats in a bar. So we have 3 quiver beats in a bar. The full meaning of 4-2, 4 minim beats in a bar. Sometimes the time signature is going to be written in old-fashioned style. So C is 4-4 and C crossed is 2-2. In our case, we have crossed C, which tells us about 2/2, 2 minims in a bar. Explain the difference between 4-4 and 2-2. 4-4, we have 4 crochet beats in a bar, and 2-2, 2 minim beats in a bar. Thank you.